यच्चापि सर्वभूतानां बीजं तदहम अर्जुन न तदु अस्ति विना यत्स्यान् मया भूतं चराचरम. Hello friends, this is the 39th shlok of the 10th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, and today we will understand this shlok in detail. So let's first go over its meaning. So the shlok says, Yacchapi sarva bhutanam, which means, and whoever is in all beings. Bijam tadaham Arjuna, which means the seed that I am, O Arjun. Natadasti vina yatsyan, which means that does not happen which can without Maya bhutam characharam, which means me, the being moving and still. So now Shri Krishna is summarizing his opulence, and he is saying over here that whatever is the seed in anything, that I am. And Shri Krishna further adds that without me, no being can happen, whether it's the moving being or it's the non moving being. So, in the previous shlok, we understood how Shri Krishna was saying that he is the seed of everything. There, we understood how he is that factor which defines the particular entity. So, that is what he is adding to over here also and providing the summary of his opulences. And what he is saying is that he is the seed of everything that exists over here. So the way to understand it is like this, that in this world, whatever entity that exists, it exists because it plays a certain role in this divine yajna which is going on. So if there is an entity which exists, then there is definitely something of value in that particular entity. And no matter what you might think by yourself, that is happening because of your limited point of view. So you can think of any worthless entity that you might see in this world. Let's say there is cockroaches, for example. Now, cockroaches are certain beings which disgust us a lot, and we might think that okay, these beings are so disgusting. Why are they there? They are bad. They create disease, and they are just bad. They give us disgust. But if you were to think in detail about the cockroaches, you will realize that they are the beings which feed on the waste, and they process the waste and they process it into basic elements, and in that way they play a very crucial role in terms of cleansing this environment. They are the ones who can even digest plastic, say. So when we are basically putting in all these plastic in this environment and polluting it, they are the ones who can digest it and they can basically decompose it and bring it back into its original element. So they play a very important role in terms of cleansing this environment. But because they are feeding on the waste, therefore they hold us, they hold a risk for us in terms of bringing diseases for us. So because of that, we have this feeling of disgust towards them. But that doesn't mean that cockroaches are bad. Cockroaches actually play a very important role in cleansing this environment. So they play a very important role. It's only we, with our limited understanding, that we put a label of disgust on them and then say that okay, these beings are pathetic. But actually they are not. So everything that exists in this universe, it has a certain role to play in sustaining this universe. If there is something which does not play that role in sustaining this universe, then that thing will be destroyed. That thing will be destroyed and it will become extinct. So all the beings, all the species in the past which have become extinct because they were no longer playing a significant role in the sustenance of this divine yajna which is playing out in this world. So that particular utility that particular being has in sustaining this universe is what Sri Krishna is. So that is what Sri Krishna is saying over here, that I am the seed of all the beings which are present over here. So whatever is that particular factor which that being plays in this universe, That is what Shri Krishna is. And so that is how that particular entity is expressing the divine in this creation. So that is what we have to understand, that if that particular aspect was not there in that particular entity, then it will disappear, it will become extinct from this universe. So if the cockroaches are playing a very important role in terms of cleansing this in this earth, then that is their role, and so they exist, and Sri Krishna is expressing through them like that. But if, say, tomorrow they are no longer useful in creating, in helping this universe and cleansing it, then they will disappear from this planet. So that is the whole idea that is presented in this shlok by Sri Krishna. So I hope that I have explained this shlok well to you. With that, I'll close this video. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.